everybody, it's Mema doing my very first on-camera box opening. This baby is so special, I wanted to give everybody a look at her. And here she is. She is, I think, one of the prettiest babies I've seen in a while. She is Crown Princess. And look at this baby. Who's that? Leia. Everybody say hi to Leia. Hi. She's very pretty, isn't she? Yes. She's beautiful. Oh, she's got the most gorgeous blue eyes. Look at her. Beautiful, beautiful hair. And what Mema loves the best is a binky. Look like. Look, oh, we can't get it. There we go. And the cutest crown. Oh, you want to try the binky? You want to try? And this little crown goes on the top of her head. I tell you, Mema is really thinking of keeping her. Thank you. Thank you. I love her. I don't know. Clea, what do you think? Oh, Clea's being my camera person today.
Hi.
Mariah is at school. She's got a big show tonight that she's practicing for at school. She has this absolutely adorable little crown that hooks onto her hair. Can stay on the side like that. So Mema's deciding whether I should keep her or not. I don't know, I'll let you guys know maybe in another video. You can help me name her, because I fell in love with her the minute I saw her. Anyway, if you want to buy her, coupon code Mariah, M-A-R-I-A-H, and you save 15% on the Paradise Gallery's website. If anybody's looking for a new baby, she is precious. And that's it. So, okay, first video down. What do you think, Clea? So, first video down. How do you think I did, Miss Clea?
Good.
Yeah. Should we try to do another one? Maybe
Yeah,
tomorrow. We'll
maybe.
think about whether we're going to keep her or not, and then you can help me get another one done. All right. Terrific.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye, everybody. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so every time either Mariah uploads a video or Mema uploads a video, you'll be sure to know.